While everyone's chasing complicated AI businesses, this simple website is making thousands of dollars every single month.
Did you catch that? Most people miss the biggest lesson right there.
Utility sites solve a very specific problem and they solve it right away, immediately. And that's their entire purpose. Say someone needs a random name picker, a word unscrambler, or a countdown timer.
We always think a website needs to be big and fancy to make money, but that thinking is exactly why so many beginners fail. One simple tool doing one job well beats 100 fancy pages, and Google actually rewards you for it.
Search for it, and then they find the tool that gives them exactly what they're looking for. Now, there are no complicated systems here behind the scenes from the user's perspective. The tool just does that one job, and it does that job every single time.
But here is the real question. How do you build this with zero coding? Keep watching.
At the core of the experience is something called vibe coding. The concept is pretty straightforward. You just tell Horizons what you want to build using normal conversational language, and then it turns that description into a working application.
For years, I told myself, I can't do this because I don't know coding, and maybe you said the same thing too. But if you can type a WhatsApp message in English, you already have the only skill this needs.
There are no templates to configure, there's no drag and drop editor to figure out, and there are no technical decisions slowing down the process. You just simply explain what the tool should do, and Horizons generates it for you.
And wait till you see what one single message can actually build. Watch this.
Build a wheel spinner app where users can type in a list of names or options, one per line, and spin the wheel to land on a random result. The wheel should display all entries as colored segments, animate smoothly when spinning, and clearly show the winning result after it stops.
A developer would charge serious money for this and take days to finish it. Here, the whole working tool came out in minutes, and the only real skill was explaining clearly what you want.
Use a clean, modern design with a dark background. So let's go ahead and submit that prompt, and we'll let Horizons do its thing. After a few moments, as you can see, you'll see the wheel spinner start taking shape here. The app already allows users to enter options to spin the wheel and then receive a random result, giving us a working version of the core utility right away.
But a basic tool alone is not enough. The next part is what makes people come back.
Add customization options to the wheel. Users should be able to choose from at least 5 color themes for the wheel segments, toggle a sound effect on or off when the wheel spins and lands, and save their current list of names so that they can go ahead and reload it on their next visit.
Most beginners build something basic and stop, and that is the mistake. When people can save their lists and come back, Google notices those returning visitors and starts trusting your site more.
So these additions make a big difference because now people can personalize their experience, they can save lists they use frequently, and they can create a tool that is more convenient to return to instead of having to rebuild everything from scratch every time they visit.
So the tool is ready. Now comes the question everyone is waiting for. Where does the money connect?
And that's exactly where monetization comes in. One of the advantages of using hosting or Horizons is that adding Google AdSense doesn't require jumping between multiple platforms or manually editing code yourself. The integration is built directly into Horizons, which means we can handle the setup through a simple prompt.
Greedy people cover their site with ads everywhere and visitors run away fast. Did you notice he kept the wheel area clean? The tool comes first and the ads stay on the side. That order is everything.
So go ahead and enter this following prompt. Please enable AdSense on my site and place ads in the sidebar below the wheel and after the result is shown.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
Optimize the app overall for ad placement, SEO, and overall ad-related optimization. Make sure the ads do not interrupt the spinning experience, and keep the core wheel area clean.
But one honest warning before you get excited, watch the final step first.
So before finally publishing, let's go ahead and take a final look throughout the site, and let's make sure that everything is working as expected. So the wheel should function normally, the ad placements should appear in the designated locations.
Publishing is the easy part. Waiting is the hard part. Google traffic takes months, not days, and anyone promising faster is lying to you. But that is fine because your day job pays the bills while this grows quietly in the background.
And the overall experience should still feel clean and easy to use. And once everything looks good, you'll have a fully built utility site that is ready to be published and start attracting traffic.
So start with just one tool this weekend. And in my next video, I will tell you what to build first. Now, everything I just showed you works, but it's honestly only one piece of the puzzle. If you want to see how the whole system fits together, step by step, I put together a free training that walks you through the entire thing. No fluff, no weird sales pitch, just the full process. The same way I'd explain it if we were sitting across the table. It's the first link in the description. If this video was helpful, that training will probably be 10 times more helpful. And if you're not there yet, no problem. Just keep watching, keep learning, and it'll be there when you're ready. All right, see you in the next one.